Okay. Hi, this is Meg of This Mess Is Ours, and I'm in Casey's, the G-Free Foodie's kitchen today in sunny California. Hi, Casey.
Hi.
So I'm gonna be making Casey a cocktail with some of my favorite California-grown ingredients today, and it's a Mandarin Basil Spritz.
I'm pretty stoked.
Yeah, citrus.
I'm like any spritz anytime.
Any spritz anytime. Yeah, me too. Spritzes are super easy, so all you have to do is kind of make a simple syrup that's flavored. And citrus happens to be one of my favorite kinds of produce grown here in the state of California. I'm gonna make this super pungent little simple syrup, basically, with honey instead of sugar. And the honey is also from California. So why don't you slice me 6 like
Coins.
coins?
All right.
Yeah, that's the word. That's why we're friends. You can finish my sentences and it's not awkward. Throw them in. Super easy. I need, you wanna do honey for me?
Sure.
I need about a tablespoon
All right.
in there. I'm still peeling.
You're like, so my family names, like the indication on the honey is what kind of orchard this honey was produced in. So this goes along. This is an orange grove.
Oh, it's for orange.
About a tablespoon, you said?
About a tablespoon. You could do more if you want it sweeter. We're gonna put in
I'm looking at that.
some basil leaves. So this is like 2 really hardy sprigs.
Okay.
This is 1 cup of filtered water. I'm gonna put that in there. And then you're gonna put that on the stove, medium-high heat, bring it to a boil, and then simmer it for like 5 to 7 minutes till it reduces down.
Okay. And
Then-
we're gonna swap it out for the one we already made because
Yeah.
it's cooled.
Yeah, exactly. So once you have it like this, and you cook it down and you cool it completely, it looks like this. So you want to strain it out, so that's what we're gonna do next.
Okay.
And this might have to be a team effort. Do you want to see if we can strain it back into this bad boy?
Let's see.
I mean,
Let's see how this
for
goes.
comedic value.
All right.
There you go.
Game on. All right, I'm holding.
How many blockers does it take? Sorry,
Minimum 2.
minimum 2. All right, here we go. So tell me about the wine you picked.
Well, you said we were making a sweeter spritz, so I just chose a sparkling brut.
Okay.
From California for obvious
Obviously.
reasons.
Classic, because, oh, go girl. Might have done
Not
that.
my first rodeo.
Obviously. I'm not allowed with projectiles. That's why we turned it over to you when it's time to open things that could break the camera. Okay, let's put some ice in there.
Okay.
I'll ice it.
All right.
There's got to be a song for that.
I mean, ice, baby. Too obvious.
Very obvious.
Okay, and then when you want to go sparkling in first because the syrup's a little heavier, or what?
I was gonna do syrup first, but do you think we should do sparkling first?
You're the boss, applesauce.
Let's do one of each
and see what happens.
and see what happens.
All right.
Go.
Where am I going here? About halfway?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Perfect.
Champion.
And that's why
Like I poured a cocktail a time or 2.
you are the master.
Okay then.
Okay. And then now we should garnish it.
With
Basil.
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 Okay.
And Casey taught me something really cool about basil to release the aroma into you.
You spank it.
Just spank it.
So what do you
Spank
want?
it.
One side, you want a little sprig here?
Yeah,
You
let's
want
grab
one
a little sprig. Let's
Okay.
spank a sprig and put it in the cup
All right. So you remember why you spanked the sprig?
to release the essential oils.
Right. So if you don't, so that's why people, slice basil, chiffonade, or whatever. You're really just releasing the oils. When you make those cuts in the basil, you're releasing the oils. So if you are going to leave your basil whole, but you want to smell it and you want it to release the oil, you spank it.
I'll spank it.
Pop it in there.
That hurt my hand. So you gotta hit it pretty hard. Okay, so which one's better? Yours or mine? Well, I guess
they're
we're on them
ours.
both.
Salud.
Cheers. Yeah, newsflash, I like them both. Shocker.
Make it.
Do it. Where's the recipe? Is it down? Do they swipe up? Do they poke a button?
I think they go to your website.
You go to my website. That's where it's gonna be.
Look for the link
Yeah.
on this video.
We should drink more of these and film more things.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.